So we're back with a brand new product. This is a STREBITO precision electric screwdriver. It's a 155 piece set. Let's open this up and talk a little bit more about it. So a lot of people are looking for devices like this because they are not only incredibly lightweight and easy to use, the amount of bits that you have available is incredibly important because it gives you multiple options in use. It's because a little manual that kind of goes over the types of bits inside the unit, which is great. You got a power cord here, a USB-C to USB-A, and then we've got another instruction sealing. Now, it does have the descriptions of the types of bits included on the bottom as well, including a packaging list of a manual screwdriver, electric screwdriver, 140 S2 bits, one magnet demagnetizer, one metal spudger, one pointed tweezers, one spudger, one pry tool, one flexible element extension shaft, one suction cup, 4 opening picks, one magnet mat, and one USB charging cable. Ooh, a little magnetic mat right there. That's cool. And then we have another guide to the set. So we got the mat, we got the suction cup, we've got the, I think this is the pry tool. Yeah, that's the pry tool. Then this one right here is the spudger. Got a little hook on there, flat head, point head, nice. That's so weird. There we go. Then we have our pointed tweezers. Oh, those are sharp. This is our metal spudger. Magnetizer, demagnetizer. This is just a traditional screwdriver. This is a flexible extension shaft to get higher height. That's underneath there. Then we've got some regular screwdriver heads here. Accessory bin that includes, I believe this is just some opening picks that kind of expand out for you. These are all the bits. And then this is the metal screwdriver, electronic screwdriver. So this right here is a adjuster for the speed, 1 to 3. This actually back. Okay. And then this button here is for the LED lights in the top that turn them on and off. That's cool. But yeah, so just straightforward. If you need a bit, you can just grab it out, place it in, reverse, to loosen, tighten. Put it back exactly in its spot. You're good to go. You've got a magnet head here. We're going to grab something out of somewhere. You've got some sockets as well as some Allen heads. A lot of options in here. So let's take this and actually take apart some equipment so you can see what it looks like in use. So this is an incredibly helpful toolkit if you're looking for something like this to help you out with your tools. And this is definitely something I would suggest for you. It's really convenient, compact, take on the go, very helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.